Guys, did you know that you can make money online at the comfort of your home by just answering questions and just viewing videos? Guys, as in making money by just viewing a simple video like a 10-second video and making a review on it, and also answering some simple questions and like doing surveys. It's insane, guys. Just by that, I just made $5 in just 1 hour. I mean, guys, I know it's not a lot, but to me, I mean, guys, you can do this at work or anywhere or at home. So guys, let's hop into the video. I don't wanna waste any time. I wanna go into details of this video. So now, Amazon mturk or mechanical turk is an artificial intelligence whereby you do tasks and get paid for. You do what we call HITS, whereby HITS stands for Human Intelligence Tasks, whereby you do those tasks and get paid for like a penny. Now, this video is gonna be so great for those who are like much into online shopping and like they are on Amazon. So if you're on Amazon Premium, it's gonna be easy for you now. What I was saying is that if you're not on Amazon Premium, it's gonna take you a longer time to review your account than that one who is on Amazon Premium now. This is gonna be so good for you if you own Amazon Premium, or if you do regular shopping on Amazon and you have an Amazon account. Even if you're not on Amazon Premium, it's also a game changer because they're gonna review your account so fast and you're gonna start making money. But if you're not on Amazon and you don't have an account for Amazon, please create one. Examples of hits which you can do, like you can do book reviews, you can do like car app review, you can do audio transcription, you can do like viewing videos and answering questions, you can do surveys. I mean, it's a lot. There are a lot of tasks you can do there. If you're looking for a job, you can go for Amazon Enter. I'm gonna take you all over the whole registration process. So without any further ado, let me take you to my phone right now.